Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Audi RS4 Avant. This model is made by KiloWorks at the 1/18 scale. It's a metallic model that features opening bonnet, doors and trunk. Also have functional steering and suspension. And we have a few other interesting facts, including that it has folding mirrors. And also it comes with a second set of wheels. You can change these wheels when we'll do that a bit later. Let's start in the front. We have the headlights, which look pretty good. Also we have the fog lights down here, and also we have this grille, which is perforated. We have the RS4 logo there and the Audi logo there. We have the German license plate. Also we have some carbon fiber texture here on this front splitter. Next we have the wheels, which look pretty good. We have them in gloss black at the moment on the car. Also we have the metallic brake disc and brake caliper. Next in the back we have the stop lights, which look pretty good. We have the RS4 logo there as well, the Audi logo and the German license plate. Again we have some carbon fiber texture on this diffuser, and also we have the exhaust tips, which are the RS4 exhaust tips with this shape, again looking very good. Underneath the model we have a few details. We have the exhaust system and also have some details here in the back. Let's open the engine, the bonnet, to see the engine. A nice feature on this model is the fact that you can take out the engine cover. Let me see if I can do it. There we go. It's a bit tricky. There we go. As you can see, this plastic part can be removed, and you can see more details on the engine. The engine looks pretty good. Again, we have a lot of details. Also, I do like the hinges on this bonnet. As you can see, very interesting model, and a few I haven't seen actually this type of feature on other models. Let me close. Except for KiloWorks, I had an RS6 that I reviewed a while ago that had the same feature. Let's open the door to see the interior. There we go. The interior looks pretty good as well. A lot of details. We have the Audi logo there on the center of the wheel. Also the dash looks pretty good. Of course the model is carpeted. Let me open the back. We have RS4 written on the seal there. Also I have to say I really like the texture on the seats. Another feature that I really like is the fact that this armrest can be moved, as you can see. Again, very nice detail from KiloWorks that not many makers do it. Let me close the doors. And in the back we don't have that many details. The tray doesn't move, sadly, but the model is carpeted, and again we have some nice hinges on the trunk lid. Let's try and change a wheel. Let me go for this one. To change the wheel, you only need to pull it towards you. Also you can remove the brake disc. You can see it's metallic and looks pretty good. Let me put the brake disc there. Now you have to put it there perfectly, and next mount the wheel. That's about it. Personally, I think the this set of wheel looks better because you can see that brake disc, which looks pretty good. But tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. And also, I almost forgot, another feature for this model is the fact that you can open the panoramic roof, which is the sunroof, which is very nice. Again, not many models have this feature. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.